This story is called Meet Tom the Fridge by Alex Chisholm, age 17 years. It's dedicated to
people who like kitchens. Tom is a fridge. He lives on the moon. How did he get there? Read the story and find out. Tom was a shape changer. He changed into a circle, a triangle, anything. When he was 17, Tom lived in a yellow house on Earth. It was number 2. Tom didn't like it. Everyone was yellow. Everyone laughed at him because he wasn't yellow. When Tom was 20, he left the house one night. A yellow fridge took his place. Tom went to the Space Museum. He looks around and found a rocket. Tom climbed inside the rocket. A man said, "You can't go on a mission, never mind." When Tom was 29, he set off for the moon. He packed a full fridge. On the way, he ate custard. He drank milk. When he was 31, he arrived. Tom jumped onto the moon. The rocket went back to Earth. He started building a house. The house was orange. Tom was happy. It was his favorite color. Tom said in a echoing voice from the moon, "What's your favourite colour?" The end. I'll just try to
Well done. We hope you enjoyed that story by
Alex Chisholm.
dedicated to people who like
kitchens.